Now I have to say, I don't know that in my life I've ever loved a battery terminal before, but I gotta tell you, I think I love this battery terminal. The craftsmanship is absolutely beautiful. I mean, this is a finely machined piece of metal. It has an insert, a shim, which is really great. So in case your posts are thinner than you would expect, that will help keep these things clamped down. I like that it's got this nut and it's got the Allen on the other side. I like that the push down screws for the wires are also Allen heads that recess in there. Now, just when you thought this thing couldn't be any better, it comes with its own snap-on weatherproofing plastic, and it just snaps on just like that. This is a fine product.